of all things undead.
So guys, oh man, there's dirt on my camera. Anyways, so yeah, it's the last week of Fear Farm and the season has flown by, to say the least, and it's actually really sad that it's ending. I mean, like, I'm glad because I'll be able to sleep finally, but I'm also not glad because I'm sad that it's ending. But, you know. Anyways, yeah, I gotta go to work. It's Monday. And, yeah, I'll do more when I get there. Sam. We did the same thing.
Transformed into trash.
What is that? Presenting bitter bitch number 1. I look like a teacher and Willow looks like a badass.
Willow looks like a boss.
When will my husband return from war?
Wait, what?
That's the worst one!
Let me see that.
War flashbacks! Just you getting knocked onto the ground!
That actually happened. Look at the moon, Sam. That was so artsy.
Hey, what up, fam? Hit my line, make my hotline bling.
You are disgusting.
Hit me up at Jonathan _070. It's working hard in here.
What are you doing?
You look ugly.
Being a nurse?
Being a nurse? Are you British now?
No.
Heroin. Would you like a needle shot?
Get the fuck away from me! Stop!
I would like a shot. Let me see. So, we got the camera. We have the camera. Hi, camera. And she's not allowed inside the house. Not allowed.
But behind the scenes at Fear Farm, is it recording?
Behind the scenes at Fear Farm.
Let's go to the costume room.
Get the chainsaws.
There's no bypass for that crawling.
That's Amanda.
It's very hard to take dick pics. You guys be like yelling all the time. Can you guys please be quiet? Thank you very much.
I need a bigger camera.
Okay. What he said.
This is the best costume.
Best costumes ever.
Then there's McKaylee's.
Look at this haunt. Look at this pathetic costume. Orange.
Well, hello, Jimmy. Welcome to my crib.
I'm getting it.
The best, huh? At the job. We do it better than anyone. Did you have that? Would you like it back?
Yeah, sure.
Willow, have you had your shot yet? She ripped her toenails off.
Let's rip her toenails off. We're gonna fight.
Let's not. I'm good.
Give McKaylee.
I'm good. I'm
Give
good.
McKaylee.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, fam. I'm good. I hate this place. I hate this place. I hate this place. I hate this place. I hate this place.
No, because you watched The Talking Dead, right? Yeah. You know how they have the memoriam thingy? They didn't have him on it, did they?
And plus, the guy was on top of him when they fell.
I'm pretty sure he'll find his way out. Asians usually do.
You know what I read a theory about?
The Walking Dead talks about The Walking Dead.
Him being...
Head massage too.
I know, this is really nice.
Is it okay that you didn't get your slushie?
Yes.
There you go.
Hecla! We're going home.
I swear your backpack is like the most distracting thing.
Oh, I know. Stop.
Somebody got their leg.
Okay. The undead. Actually.
I think I just took the U and the N out.
Dead. It's not
In that house.
Look at, we
That is Shannon's house. And they
have swings.
Hi.
And this is what I do when I'm bored.
I'm dead.
She's dead. I am reliving my childhood as a zombie.
What's up, you fucking pussies?
Oh my god. Once upon a time, there was an actor named McKaylee who thought that it would be cool to never show up because she goes to cool concerts all the time. And I hate her, but she's really hot, so she can stay. That's all.
Can I go towards it? Did last. A1 managers doing their jobs.
Hey, I need a cough drop. Ow!
Y'all are gonna kill each other.
They still speak out of their asses, so like.
Hello, Chima. Chima.
Hello.
Chima. That was spin up.
This is the second night in a row that I managed to hit my head on the TV and turn it gay. It was normal static before, and now it is very, 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 very gay.
My little Satan, my little Satan.
Get out of here! Mr. Farm has a pool noodle and he's using it against us. He's very angry. And this is how Fear Farm punishes their employees.
Hear what Descent did to Tristan?
Hekla's getting hit by Mr. Farm himself.
What the fuck?